Good morning.
Hello everyone and welcome to another video.
So I guess you're wondering where we are now.
Yeah.
We are back in the UK.
And we are at the Southampton 2022 Boat Show. We're hoping to get some really cool content for you guys. We're going to be going on some boats and showing you around and just seeing what different boats have to offer. Hopefully you'll enjoy those videos that are going to be coming up very soon.
Just want to give a big shout out again to everyone that's already come and said hi to us and told us, you know, they've been following our journey, and yeah, it's been really surreal, really amazing to kind of meet so many people. So we're looking forward to that for the rest of the day as well.
Yep.
But other than that, the next few videos will be boat tours and then back onto the rest of our sailing vlog adventures.
Yep.
And then we'll update you guys more.
Yeah, we'll show you exactly what we're looking at.
Yes, but that's about it for now, guys. So really hope you enjoy these next few videos.
Yep, bye.
Bye.